I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the camera on your Galaxy Watch Classic. First, ensure your watch is properly connected to your smartphone using Bluetooth. Next, verify that the camera controller application is installed and up to date on your watch. Once these steps are complete, simply open the camera controller app on your watch, and it will automatically activate your phone's camera, ready for remote control. Controlling your phone's camera from your wrist is incredibly intuitive. To snap a picture, just tap the watch screen once. If you want to switch to video mode, simply swipe your finger horizontally across the display. For zooming in or out, you have two convenient options. Either rotate the classic physical bezel on your watch or swipe your finger vertically on the screen. It's designed for quick and easy adjustments. Beyond basic controls, your Galaxy Watch Classic offers several advanced features. You can set a timer for 2, 5, or even 10 seconds, perfect for group shots or when you need to get into position. After capturing, you can instantly review your photos and videos right on your watch's vibrant display. For more detailed adjustments, such as flash settings or changing the aspect ratio, simply access those options directly from your smartphone's camera application. To get the most out of your camera control experience, remember a few key tips. Keep your Galaxy Watch and smartphone within a 10-meter range to ensure a stable and reliable connection. Always check that both devices have sufficient battery life, especially for longer shooting sessions. Finally, use your watch as a remote shutter for those tricky angles, group photos, or any situation where a steady, hands-free shot is essential. It's a powerful tool right on your wrist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.